Most final consonants in French are silent and they are not pronounced except for the word C, R, F, L. We can remember this consonant with the help of the word careful. Now we see the pronunciation of consonant which sound differently. C before AOU or consonant is pronounced as K. Same when C came as a final word, it also pronounced as K. C before EIY, before vowels EIY, pronounced as S. Double C before AOU or consonant pronounced as K. Double C before EIY pronounced as Kus. Cedilla C is always pronounced as Sa and CH pronounced as Sha. For few words it also pronounced as Ka. Now we learn some examples on letter C. Here E C O L E. C is pronounced before O. So it sounds like Ka. That is a coal means school. Second example is BEC. C at the end or final C is also pronounced as Ka. That is back means beak. Third CENT. C before E pronounced as Sa. That is so means 100. ACCENT. Double C is pronounced as Sa. That is Oxa. Oxa means accent. Also double C is pronounced as ACCIDENT. Here again double C is pronounced as Sa. That is Oxida. GARCON. Here C Cedilla is pronounced as Sa. That is Grasso means boy. Or CH is pronounced as Sa means CHAT is pronounced as Sa. A is pronounced as A, CH is pronounced as Sa, or last T, final T is not pronounced, so its pronunciation is Sa, means cat. Now we learn the pronunciation of consonant G. G before A, O, U or any other consonant pronounced as G. G before E, I, Y is pronounced as Z, like major, pleasure, leisure, all that. G final is silent, not pronounced. GE before AOU or any other consonant, it also pronounced as Z. Double G before AOU or any other consonant pronounced as G. Double G before EIY is pronounced as Jaja. GN sound like Na. GN is pronounced as Na. GT is not pronounced or it is silent. GU before EIY is pronounced as Ga. GU plus any vowels is also pronounced like Ga. Some examples on letter G. GAGE. Here G pronounced before A. So it pronounced as Ga. That is gas means wages. GEL. Here G is pronounced before E. So it's pronounced as Z. That is Zal means jail. GENS. G is also pronounced as ZA. Or GENS is pronounced as Z means people. GU double G. Double G is pronounced as Z. So GU double GESTION. Suggestion is pronounced as Sayu Ze Satio. Double G is pronounced as Z. pronunciation of letter H is always silent. Example: Habit. H is silent. A is pronounced as A. Bi is pronounced as B. Or T, final T is not pronounced, so it is pronounced as Abi, means dress. Pronunciation of letter J is pronounced as Z. Sound like Z. Jambe, pronounced as Zamb, means leg. Q, KQ is pronounced as K. R is pronounced as A. It has a sound of snoring, throat sound, or gargling sound, pronounced as A. Here's some example at Q. Q at the beginning pronounced as K, that is cat. Q at end also pronounced as K, that is sank, means 5. Cat means 4. A, RUE pronounced as RU, means street. Pronunciation of word S. S at the beginning pronounced as sa, and within the vowels pronounced as Z. SC before AOU pronounced as suck, or before EIY pronounced as sa. Example: sis. Sis means 6. Sat means 7. Pronunciation of word TH. TH sound like ta. TIAL, TIEN, TION is pronounced as sa, or W is pronounced as wa.